Hey, excuse me, is this the lecture hall for psychology?
Yes, it is. You're in the right place. Are you a first-year student?
Yeah, I just joined last week. Everything still feels a bit confusing.
Don't worry, that's completely normal. I was the same in my first semester. I'm John, by the way.
Nice to meet you, John. I'm Emil. So, how's this course? Is it tough?
It's actually really interesting if you attend regularly and keep up with the reading. The professor is good, but he moves fast.
Thanks for the heads up. I'll try my best to stay on track. By the way, do we need to buy the textbook?
Yes, but you can also find a PDF version in the student group on WhatsApp. I'll forward it to you.
That would be awesome. Thanks so much.
No problem. University's easier when we help each other out. You'll settle in soon.
I hope so. Looking forward to this new chapter.
You'll do great. Welcome to university life.
Thanks a lot.